Alright y'all, welcome back to Mastering Mayhem. Today I have the RIDGID 18 volt cordless hand vacuum that I want to review. Go over some of the awesome features that it has, just kind of show some of the functions on it, how you take the transparent tank off. We'll talk a little bit about the washable pre-filter that's in there. They're claiming that it weighs 3.06 pounds without the battery, so we'll go ahead and weigh it and see exactly what it weighs. And it is my opinion that when they say in their advertisement that it's superior suction, I think for the size that it is very capable, and it does have really great suction capabilities. I like the design of the hex grip as well. This gray area is more of a grippy rubber feel and not a hard plastic like the orange area, so I really appreciate that. That makes it more comfortable when you're vacuuming. And I love the position of the handle too, just the way they designed it. It's a little different than the older model, so for me, I like the way this worked. Right now I believe it's $49 at Home Depot, and I haven't checked online, but I'll put the links for it wherever I can find it online. But that's just the bare tool, no battery included. So I know most RIDGID guys out there have quite a few batteries, so they have batteries to spare. So some of the accessory pieces that it comes with is the extension nozzle, the crevice nozzle with the clip. You can attach this to the extension nozzle just to hold it in place for you. That way you have them together. So that's a nice little feature there. And it also comes with the floor nozzle. So that's what you get. 49 bucks, it's a great deal. Of course, remember you get the warranty if you sign it up to the LSA on their website, and just make sure you put that in there and you'll get the warranty. So the first thing I want to show you here is the twist and release detachable tank and lock it back. So you just twist it and it comes right off, no problem. And then the filter's here. The filter also has a twisting to unlock and lock, so you just twist it about a quarter of the way there and you can just slide that off. That's the pre-filter. You can take that off and just put this back on here, twist it back on. Now you can use it without the thicker filter. Okay, so the same with the transparent tank. You just push it where it meets with the tank again and just turn it and it locks right back into place, nice and secure. So a really nice compact hand vacuum. So let's go ahead and weigh it without the battery and see if it's that 3.06 pounds that it says it is on their advertisement. Alright you guys, we got the Cen-Tech scale on, and let's go ahead and weigh this RIDGID. I will include the Cen-Tech scale in the links below if you're interested in getting a scale that can do up to 70 pounds. Here we go, let's see how much this guy weighs. Let's see if it's at 3.06 pounds. It's 2 pounds, 1.6 ounces. That's what we got, just the tool itself, the bare tool. Okay, now we're gonna weigh it with the 3 amperage hour battery, 3 pounds, 9 ounces. So I think with the 2 amperage hour battery, it weighs about 3.06. That's not bad at all. It didn't feel heavy at all when I was vacuuming both the front and the back cabin of my truck. We just finished showing you guys the weight with the battery on and without the battery. Now let's go ahead and do a decibel test. I think for a hand vacuum, it's not too loud. Again, I don't have really any other vacuums to compare it to as far as just a battery powered one. I definitely will in the future as I continue to do reviews, and I will be adding to my collection, just like you guys out there who love tools and tech and just things you can use to make life a little better and make work a little faster. Let's go ahead and do a decibel test. Do it. My decibel reader is reading right now. You can hear it. It's saying when I speak, it's doing about, well, let's see, about 70 to 80 dBAs. Let's just go ahead and turn on this vacuum. This is especially good vacuum for me to pick up small debris after I do work, like mounting TVs, installing shelving, you know, where you get the small debris from drywall and wood trimmings or wood shavings, or just things like that. And then in my truck it works great picking up most debris. I'll have that footage or that content in the video here too. Got a little bit of a mess here. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of how it works and its suction power. So here we go. kind of clean. I'm gonna go ahead and take this adapter off and see if it gets a little more surface area. All right, let's do it now without the adapter. But that's it. It definitely gets the job done. Looks like it builds up some dust, blowing it out the exhaust there, but other than that, looks like new. Pretty powerful. And let's see how much battery life it used up here. I had three lights on it, and still 3 lights. That's on the 3 amperage-hour battery. It can get the job done. If you need something to vacuum your car real quick, take off the adapter, just have the nozzle that it comes attached to the container there, and it'll get the job done for you. All right, let's do a little bit on my front mat because we got some small rock pebbles. See if it picks all this up. Alright, so as you can see, there are small rocks and debris. No problem. Let's go out front. Just kind of see how it does with different material. Okay, so here I got some old quickcrete. This is just kind of see if it picks up some of the rocks, you know, the bigger stones or pebbles, and the dust too, and I'm sure it will. So here you go. And it's in there. So there you go. Let's go ahead and pour it out. See what we got. So definitely all dust and rock. Yeah, picked up some of the bigger rock pieces, no problem. So yeah, great job. Handheld vacuum can do what it needs to do. You can see here the filter. It works great. Just kind of pat it, just get all the debris off, and it cleans fairly easily. Then of course you can go into a deeper clean by washing it and drying it out and whatnot. So just a real easy clean, easy to maintain, and you get great use out of it. Okay, so there you have it. I hope I gave you a few examples that help you in deciding whether or not you want to get this for yourself. I'm glad I got it, and I'm putting it to work almost every day. My overall view on this, and from my experience, it's a great handheld vacuum, has great suction power, and the price is amazing. Plus you get the limited warranty or the lifetime warranty on your batteries, and whatever the vacuum gives you in the LSA, you get that warranty. It's constructed very well, very rugged, very solid, and so I don't mind it getting bumped around when I throw it in the back of my truck, other tools hitting it or boxes or material. This guy's gonna stand up to most anything. I highly recommend it if you're out there doing a lot of work indoors. Just working with, you know, any type of material inside a home. This will do a quick job of vacuuming up whatever it is you need vacuumed after you do your work. So let me just show you how it looks with the extension wand on it. Alright, so I have it attached here, the extension wand or the extension tube with the floor attachment. I can reach the floor just fine. I'm 5'10". I don't really have to bend over, I can just walk it, and it works just fine for me. Well, it's not really dirty in here, but here we go. You can just stand up and you don't have to get down on your hands and knees if you don't want to. And the suction, you can feel it, it's great. Obviously there's different size handheld vacuums out there, but for me this one's great. It's gonna get the job done. It's always in my truck now. This is more compact than their older model, so I really like it. Great weight, great battery life by the way too. So I had 3 bars when I was vacuuming my truck, and then while I was doing the testing, and then just now. And let's see how many bars it has remaining. So we're down to 2. So I did quite a bit of vacuuming, and it used 1 bar out of the battery, the 3 amperage-hour battery. Thanks again for watching Mastering Mayhem, where we try to find all the tools and tech and even philosophies or trends or ideas that just help make life a little easier and make work a little more efficient. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. There's more videos to come. You all take care.